What is Horilla? Horilla is a free and open source system which is developed in Python using the Django framework. Initially, we have implemented HR modules in Horilla, which are the recruitment, onboarding, employees, attendance, leave, asset, and PMS, where the PMS stands for Performance Management System. Horilla is really easy to use. Anyone who has knowledge in Django can easily customize Horilla. Why should you choose Horilla? Horilla is free and open source. Anyone can use it free of cost. You can use it, customize it, and redistribute it. It is easy to use and easily customizable. Horilla has a large community of developers, so continuous development takes place. Security and transparency. Being completely open source, the users won't have to get worried about the security concerns related to using the product, as the source code is publicly available. And there is no hidden danger in it, as it is completely transparent. Without any second thoughts, feel free to use Horilla.